All right, everybody, a few more multiple choice practice for our final. We've got one from the one found in test 2 practice materials. Section 3, basic multiple choice basics. Yeah, there's basics in there. And if you can't read it because it's fuzzy, that's ozone right there, O3. And ozone's always followed by this dimethyl sulfide thing. Step 1 and step 2. In ozonolysis, we're always cutting the pi. So you'd create CH3 carbonyl, CH2 once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then I'll just go there. And that one, I'm just going to put a dot on it because I'm up to here. Make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the dot. And it gets a double bond to O as well. And I'm looking at choice 4, aren't you? I hope so. 4 CH2s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just to make this a better review, I'll show you chemicals that will make this the major product instead. And I'll show you chemicals that will make this the major product instead. And that makes 2 new exam questions. And why not a chemical that makes this the major product instead? Why not? Okay. So we're already choosing 4 for this version. Alt 1 would use these chemicals. OSO4, comma, terbutyl OOH, or OSO4, comma, NaHSO3, and they will give product 1. So that would be the right answer if these were the chemicals over the arrow. Alt 2 is a cool one because we didn't learn a reaction that makes Alt 2, but we learned 2 reactions that will get us to Alt 2. If you make an epoxide in the first step, you can use MMPP, or even MCPBA, or peracetic acid. I think those were the 3 you're responsible for. Look in a previous video, it says you better know these 3 per acids. And then you open the epoxide with a backside attack to create the second OH. That will give a backside attack on the least hindered carbon because that's a strong nucleophile. It doesn't matter which side gets the backside attack. You could also do the acid equivalent of this and get the same result. Or 1-MCPBA 2 H2O, H2SO4. Usually you're worried about regioselectivity, but in this case, both groups are the same anyway. It doesn't matter which one attacked. You're going to get a trans either way. If you attack the more substituted carbon using the acid version, or the less substituted carbon using the base. Okay? The nucleophile, strong nucleophile. And those would both give product 2. And Alt 3, I can make the third product easily the major product. Just use H2O, comma, H2SO4, or 1-HG-OAC twice H2O, step 2, NaBH4. Either the acid catalyzed hydrolysis or the oxymercuration demercuration. They're going to give a Markovnikov alcohol, which is what this is. And you want to make this an even better question, how about having a 5th product? Oh my God, when does this stop. You can make product 5 the major product. In Alt 4 by using step 1, BH3. Step 2, H2O2 NaOH. And this little short video, I think, ended up being a video that deserves to be by itself. So we're going to stop this one. And it's a nice review of a lot of good Chapter 6 stuff. And then we'll pick up and do the hybridization video next. And here we go.